Residential sales comparison and income approaches, page 104. Thus, the appraiser could assign a degree of confidence to each comparable sale and as a reconcile value indication. Here's comps 1 through 3. Your adjusted sale prices. Comp 1 was $334,000. Comp 2 was $342,000, and Comp 3 was $328,750. Percentage of confidence. So this appraiser gave 20% confidence in Comp 1 and an equal 40% for Comp 2 and 3. Weighted value, $66,800 for Comp 1, $136,800 for Comp 2, and $131,500 for Comp 3. So total weighted value, percent of confidence, you already filled out the 100% by doing that. It equals $335,100 estimate for your subject. Statistical measure. A final indication from the sales comparison analysis could also be supported, when appropriate, by using a statistical measure. Appraisers should not simply apply arithmetic averages, as this practice removes the appraiser's thought process from the methodology. However, if all data is of good quality and consistently reliable, the appraiser could logically conclude at, say, the mean or the median of the adjusted value range. When the mean or the median, or in cases where the same adjusted value is produced, the mode of the value indications is used, the appraiser has analyzed the data and found that using the mean, median, or mode would produce credible results. The adjusted value range of our illustration would produce a value indication using the mean of $334,900 rounded and a median value of $334,000. Final reconciliation. The appraiser in the final step in reconciliation could logically use the conclusions found through the various reconciliation analysis techniques that have been used. Let's summarize the products of using relative comparison, ranking and weighting, and statistical measure. Relative comparison analysis. More than $334,000, but less than $342,000. Ranking and weighting, $335,100. Statistical measure, the mean equals $334,900. Your median was $334,000. This summary reveals that the mean of the adjusted value range, $334,900, and the conclusion of the ranking and weighting analysis, $335,100, is $335,000. The relative comparison analysis indicates that the value conclusion should be somewhat more than $334,000. Extra notes. The University of Florida State offers an associate in real estate appraising. These are called outliers. So we have 7 numbers right here, right? 4 of them are $290,000, the top and the bottom. Those outliers, throw them out for your means because they will ruin the average. A mean is an average. The A in mean, think of average, the beginning letter of average, A. We don't always have good data. Try to weight them instead of averaging. Page 105. Thus, a logical and supported conclusion in the final reconciliation could be $335,000. The final opinion of value is usually rounded, often to the nearest thousand in most cases. Stating value opinions in specific dollars, such as $335,325, implies a precision that does not exist in an opinion. As a final observance, the conclusion is bracketed in both the adjusted range, $325,000 all the way to $346,000, and the adjusted value range of $328,750 to $342,000. Many clients and intended users prefer that the final opinion be bracketed. Application case study number 1. Comparable properties versus competitive properties. Comparable properties versus competitive properties. For a tract home in a developer's neighborhood with several builders offering many similar models, there may be many properties that are simply comparable or both comparable and competitive. For example, if the subject is a Heritage 2 built by Built Good Homes, there may be several other Heritage 2 models that have recently sold, which would be truly competitive as well as comparable. There also could be several other homes of similar size and utility and with similar features that are comparable but not truly competitive because they are built by different builders and are not exactly like the Heritage 2. The subject information. The subject is located at 1105 North Star Drive in Danville. It is a 2-story traditional design with 2,350 square feet and contains 8 rooms, 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and 1 half bath. It was built in 2003 by Wellbit Homes. It sits on a half-acre site and is in average condition. It abuts the Branch Elementary School to the west. Your research assistant collected some additional information that included on the data sheet on the following page. List the competitive properties and list the comparable properties. We didn't really do this in class, but you can do it if you want. Here's an extra notes. Median, you take the M and the D and you can put those in the word middle, M-I-D-D-L-E. So when you think of median, think of the middle. The M and the D are your hints. For your mode, the O is your hint because there's an O in often. Appears most often. When you see that O, think of often. And bracketing can get ridiculous.